Construire un anglais fluide.
5 minutes.
Aimer la vidéo, commande.
No, it's already done.
Ugh, really? I feel so tired.
You have work day, remember?
Oh, forgot.
Come on, get up and take a shower.
Okay. I'm getting up.
I made coffee for you.
I made coffee for you. You are the best, thank you.
You're the best. Thank you.
You are the best.
What do you want for breakfast?
What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes?
Maybe pancakes.
We don't have milk.
Can we eat?
Can
We eat and
we have eggs and bread?
Great. Let's make eggs and toast.
Great. Let's make.
I'll
eggs
cook the
and
eggs.
toast. I'll cook the eggs.
I'll toast the bread.
I'll taste.
Coffee.
Do you want
Coffee, please.
coffee, please?
Okay.
Where's my phone?
Where's my phone?
Is it on the couch?
Is it on the couch?
No, it's not.
No, it's not there.
Look in the bathroom.
Look in the bathroom.
Oh, I found it. On the counter.
Oh, I found the counter.
Use it every day.
You use it every day.
I know.
I know.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast ready.
Thanks. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Excuse me, is this the stop?
Excuse me, is the bus
Yes,
stop?
it is.
Yes, it is.
Which bus goes downtown?
Which bus?
23.
Bus. Right.
When does it come?
When does it?
Every 50 minutes.
15 minutes.
What time is it now?
9:30.
30.
The next one, 9.
This one is at 9.
How much is a ticket?
How much is the ticket?
$2.50 one way.
$2.51.
Where can I buy a ticket?
I can buy the ticket
At the machine over there.
at the machine over there.
Can I pay?
Can I pay back?
Yes, exact change.
Exactly.
How long is the ride?
How long is it?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes.
How many stops?
How many stops?
7 stops to downtown.
7 stops to downtown.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Yes. In line.
Let's get ready.
Signal the driver?
Should I signal
Yes.
the driver?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a
You're
good
welcome.
day.
Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hello, I'm Emma.
Nice to
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. How
I'm
about
from
you?
Italy. How about you?
Australia.
I'm from Australia.
Interesting. Why?
What?
Now.
Yeah, now.
Your job?
I'm an English teacher.
I'm an English teacher.
That's great. I want to learn English.
That's great. I want to learn English. Really?
You study
We start
6 months.
for 6
English. Good.
English.
Thank you. Every
You every day.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
What do you study?
I study art at the university.
I study art at the university.
Do you like it?
Do you like?
I love
Yes.
You like to speak English?
Would you practice?
Yes. Would be great.
Yes. Great.
We can talk.
We can.
When?
Perfect. When?
How about Saturday?
How about Saturday?
Yes. Saturday. Good.
Is this Sarah?
Yes, this is Sarah speaking.
Yeah, this is Sarah speaking.
Hi, Sarah. This is John.
How do
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Fine.
And you?
I'm good. Thank
Do.
Okay?
Can you hear me okay?
you. Yes, I can hear you well.
Yes, I can hear you.
You busy?
Great.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not
I'm
about Saturday.
What about Saturday?
About Saturday,
change the
can we change it?
Sure. What time is better?
Sure. What
How
time
about
is better?
3 p.m.?
About 3 p.m.
That's fine.
Let me check. Yeah. Fine.
Place?
This?
Coffee shop.
Yes. Coffee shop.
Yes?
Do you need a dress?
No, I remember it.
No, I remember it.
Great. Sorry to the time.
Sorry to change it.
No problem at all.
I'm done.
See you on Saturday.
See you on Saturday
Yes, at 3 p.m.
at 3 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank